How to log in to University of Phoenix student account. So if you want to log in to University of Phoenix student account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for University of Phoenix student login. And after searching, you will have a University of Phoenix login on the first search. Click on that. And now if you want to log in, then you have to first enter your username or your email address which your university has provided you. And on the next blank you have to enter the password. But if you forgot your username or email or your password, then you will have forgot username or password. You can click on that and then you can reset your username or password. But if you remember, then that's best. You have to simply enter your username or email and then you have to enter your password. And after entering the information, you can click on login. And that's it. That's the way to log into your University of Phoenix student account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.